Welcome to another vlog, and today is my husband's birthday. So I am in the kitchen right now and I am cooking him up something really good. I'm gonna fix lasagna. This lasagna is gonna be so good, so I'm gonna show you what I've got cooking up. Currently I've got some ground beef, 1 yellow onion, a half of a green pepper, garlic, salt, and pepper. And I'm gonna brown all of this up, and then I'm gonna mix the cheese mixture, and it's gonna be so dang good. I can't wait. So now I am currently layering everything, and my ricotta mixture here has ricotta, mozzarella, and 2 eggs. So I've got the sauce at the bottom, then noodles, then the ricotta, and the magic ingredient is the provolone cheese. So we're gonna put 6 slices right on top, and then we're gonna layer everything again. Ready to go in the oven. She is looking amazing. The lasagna is ready. Oh my gosh, this looks incredible. And I've got some garlic breadsticks in the oven ready to chow down. I think I showed you guys the dresser that I painted. It used to be a green, and I painted it this beautiful blush pink color. And I just love this little section of the room, but I wanted to show you guys, look at this little rose bouquet that I received from Rose Forever. It is so stunning. I'm trying to get a good picture of it because it's this beautiful lilac color, which almost looks a little bit of a blush pink. It goes perfectly with this dresser. These roses will last a year or more. They don't need sunlight. They don't need water. It is perfect for me because I do not have a green thumb, but I think these are so beautiful. This is the Essential Round collection, and it comes with 9 roses. They come in lots of different sizes, lots of different colors, but I chose the lilac. They did send those to me, and I am just so obsessed. So these are gonna be right here, just looking beautiful. I love roses, so I am really impressed with these. And the little box that it comes in is so cute. I'll leave their information linked in the description box. What a great little gift to give. They go through this preserving process, which they use natural oils to preserve the roses. So these are real fresh roses, and I just think that is so cool. So love them. Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday morning, and I am actually headed to church. I saw something on TikTok, a girl that has like a Christian page, and she was talking about how, you know, we find it hard, and she was talking about Christianity, how we find it so hard to be a Christian. And she said that she had heard a pastor talking about this, and I felt like it was just really profound and really works in every area of life. And he said to breathe, you just breathe in and you breathe out, and that is how we basically stay alive, right? But when we are underwater, we can do those same actions. We can breathe in and breathe out, and we can't breathe. And the pastor was talking about how the environment underwater is not conducive to breathing. And I thought, wow, it's so important to recognize the environment that you're in and what your goals are. If your goal is to breathe, then you're not going to stay underwater. Does that make sense? If your goal is to follow the Lord and be very strong in your faith, then you're not going to surround yourself with people that don't have the same moral beliefs and standards as you do. We need to take action and put ourselves in the right environment in order to achieve our goals. And I just thought that was so profound. So I wanted to share that with you guys. If you have something profound to share, then please leave it in the comments. I love anything that will inspire my soul, and I love you guys, and I will talk to you later. But today is actually the big, like, I don't know if you call this a pre-op appointment, but it's like the big 2-hour eye exam appointment where they dilate my eyes and all that stuff. So yeah, that's what's happening. My hair looks terrible. So I used the Curlsmith hair makeup gel in the shade Gold. It was the last shade I had to use. And I just picked a really bad day because it was super humid and like drizzly outside. I did not have my umbrella, and so basically it's like a big fluff ball right now. So today I'm actually going to take my daughter up to the playground for a little bit. We're gonna shoot some b-ball because her basketball season is about to start. Because of COVID and everything, the last time she was able to play was during the winter season. Her whole spring season got canceled. So we're gonna go and practice for a little bit because I feel like it's been a while since she's even picked up a basketball. So we're gonna go to the playground and do that for a little bit before I have to head out to my appointment. All right, we're gonna do another dribbling drill. Good job. Yep. Good job. Back one more time. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. Well, I have never felt sexier. I have my mask is actually taped to my face. Oh, dang, that hurts bad, and I can't see anything. Oh, my eyes are dilated. I literally can't see anything, and this tape is tearing my skin off. Wow, that hurts so bad. Then I've got these sexy glasses that I have to wear. Can't see anything right now. I really should not be driving, to be honest. So I realize it's been days since I was actually on here, and I never actually got a chance to update you guys on my surgery that I'm having done. I'm actually having it done tomorrow. And of course, you saw I went to my pre-op appointment. That appointment was crazy. I was literally there for 3 hours. I had no idea the extent of what that pre-op appointment entailed. My eyes hurt so bad after that appointment that all I wanted to do was get home and just like go to sleep, close my eyes. But long story short, it was a very long visit, very, very in-depth. They took so many measurements, so many pictures of my eyeballs. They tested my tear production. They tested literally anything that you can test for your eyes. That's what they did. After all that testing, they found out that my cornea is actually very thin, which doesn't make me a good candidate for LASIK. But that means that I'm actually a good candidate for what they call PRK surgery. And basically, that surgery uses the same exact laser technology. It's the same exact laser, but they have to use it in a different way because regular LASIK surgery actually thins out the cornea just a little bit. And for someone that has a normal cornea, that's not a big deal. It's fine. But for someone like me who already has a thin cornea, you don't want to thin the cornea anymore. PRK is a little more intense as far as the recovery. You get the same results in the end of it, but LASIK is like super simple. You're done in 5 minutes. You can see 20/20 the next morning. Like, it's super easy, quick, dry. You can go to work the next day. With PRK, it's a little bit longer recovery. So I'm basically going to be out of commission for about 4 days, but I really won't start seeing results for about a week, and then it really takes about a month to see the final results. So it's definitely a slower process. It's more painful, a lot more painful from what I hear. So I don't obviously know exactly what to expect because I've never been through this, but I actually had someone tell me that PRK basically feels like you've got shards of glass in your eyes for 3 weeks. I don't know what the truth is to that, but I guess we'll see. Everyone's experience, I'm sure, is different, just like with any surgery. They said that they will give me like Valium, and I will take my pain medicine as soon as I am done, like right before I leave. That way I'll be knocked out, hopefully on the ride home, and I'll get to come home and just sleep for like 4 to 6 hours straight. I will keep you guys posted, and I love you, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Hello, good morning. It is the morning of surgery. I am excited, but I am a little bit nervous. I feel like it's going to be more painful than what I was expecting, I believe, but overall I'm super excited. I cannot wait to finally be able to say goodbye to glasses and contacts. We are actually headed over to the surgery center now, or really just the eye doctor. They do it all in their office. It's a private practice, which is one of the reasons why I chose this particular doctor, and he's been in business doing this for like 30 plus years. So he's got a really good track record. Got everything set up at home so that I can just come home and crash. And I'm not sure exactly if I'll be able to like update you guys right after or what. I don't know how I'm going to be feeling. Saying a little prayer that everything goes smoothly this morning, and that's it. I love you guys. Well, I've never felt sexier in my entire life. Thanks, babe, for taking me. I can't really see anything right now. It's very hazy, but the procedure was quick. Altogether probably took 45 minutes, and that's just from the prep stuff, but the actual procedure probably took 10 minutes max. It was definitely a weird feeling, a lot of pressure, but the laser part was nothing. It was literally so easy. So I just took a pain pill, and I am headed back home. We're actually gonna grab a little bite to eat just so that I have something on my stomach so I don't get sick from the pain medicine. So I will continue to keep you guys updated. What's up, guys? I know I look horrendous and it's super dark, but I have to kind of stay in the dark, but I wanted to just give you guys an update. It has been 24 hours since my procedure. Actually, it's been a little more than 24 hours now. I went for my follow-up appointment first thing this morning, and they said everything is looking fantastic. Basically, I already have 20/30 vision in this eye and 20/50 in this eye, which is a drastic improvement from what it was. And with PRK, it just continues to get better. So I was so excited to hear and see that. I can't believe that I can actually already see pretty clearly. It's still like kind of hazy and foggy from the surgery, but I can see stuff already. But I just have to stay in kind of dim lighting because my eyes are very sensitive to light right now. I'm still taking pain medicine just to make sure that I don't, fully feel the pain of it all at this point. But they did say that I can start to try and incorporate just like a good headache medicine that works for me and see if it takes the edge off, and then I can kind of wean myself off of the pain meds. And I'm also doing drops in my eyes. I've got 3 different types of drops that I have to put in my eyes like 4 times a day. I've just been resting and staying in my bedroom with all the curtains closed, keeping it kind of dim and dark. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It kind of hurts to even have this light on over here, but just wanted to give you guys a 24-hour update. Everything is going well. The pain has been very minimal. And that's pretty much it. So I will again keep you guys updated, and that is it for now. I'm sexy and I know it. Okay, so we are on day 3. I basically had the procedure done on Thursday, and it is Saturday morning. Had it done on Thursday morning. So really 2 full days now, and I'm gonna be real with y'all. I don't know how LASIK is, but with PRK, what I've noticed, this is like the worst of it. When I wake up from sleeping, it takes me a good 30 minutes before I can really like open my eyes, before they like get acclimated to the light and like they're watering and they're just, whoo, I literally can't even open up my eyes. So I'm just keeping my sunglasses on. And
basically feel like there's a match to both of them. And then that starts to subside, and then I'm okay. Then I can keep my eyes open. I can, you know, do things and feel like I'm all right. But whenever I go back to sleep, it's like the same cycle. That's what I've noticed over the last 24 hours. But yeah, so that's where I'm at. I just wanted to be really, really real with you guys. And this is what my eyeballs look like. I can't even open them. They burn.
You been keeping me company? Huh? You been keeping me company, buddy? You've been a sweet boy, huh? Look at that face. Oh my goodness.
Really quickly, I was just going to show you guys the drops that I'm taking. So I have to put these in 4 times a day. And then I also have to put these in 4 times a day. And then I also have these little re-wetting drops, which can be put in at least 4 times a day, but you can actually use these as much as you need to, which I'm definitely using them more than 4 times a day because my eyes are on fire currently. Well, I'm gonna record this little update with my eyes closed because there's absolutely 0 chance in me opening my eyes right now. Today is technically, I guess, the 4th day. I had it done Thursday morning and today is Sunday. It's been by far the worst day. Oh my gosh, my eyes are just on fire. They are burning so bad. I'm not gonna sugarcoat this because it is what it is. It hurts. Today I definitely questioned what have I done, but I know it's gonna get better. I've been listening to other people's stories and everyone seems to say that day 3 and 4 are by far the worst and that you just can't even open your eyes because your eyes just don't want to open at all. I can't even barely open them to get my drops in my eyes because they're so sensitive. I'm gonna stay in bed again today and just try and keep my eyes closed, but just wanted to give you guys an update. And now I'm no longer on like the strong pain medicine either. I'm now on just like over-the-counter like Advil, Aleve type of medicine. So that's probably definitely not helping the situation. I think maybe I should have saved the pain medicine for day 3 and 4, but I didn't know. I didn't know it was gonna be like this. So that's the update. Hopefully it will get better because Lord knows this is rough. This is rough.